Okay guys, let's have a look at the exchange rate. There we go. That's where it is today. Filming. It's gone up a little bit, but yeah, nothing to really write home about. Wine barrel that's there. Dark in there, isn't it? In the shade. Yeah, but eager. Yeah, watch it with these shops, guys, because they're not all the same. Prices do vary shop to shop. Let's come back out in the sun. For the pastaria, fish boat shop. Yeah, get all your pies and stuff out there. I don't know what's wrong with this camera. Good one in there to exchange, right? Yeah, 175 in there as well. Good lion. You're right over there.
Are you a swimmer?
Aye, YouTube.
Oh, you know? Oh, sorry,
So by the outback there. Okay, one there. Surprise attack. Hotel Presidente. And if you want some entertainment, then stop in Presidente. This church is just over the back there. Side you've got the Gold Arcos, Morello bar downstairs, Naughty's bar on the first floor. It's a nice hotel, that one. can go up to the top and see the views on there, from there. We haven't got up there yet. Apparently for non-residents after 9 o'clock. It's only fair. There's pools up there and stuff. Or we just have to film it round and about from a different perspective. There's jokers anyway. I've got no idea, it's 2 for 1 on drinks in there. You need them. Well, he did last time I was in there. I do tend to walk them down a bit. Hotel Helios. This looks like a nice hotel as well. There's a pool. Stop on there too long. I'm trying to enjoy their day. The pool here has got a floor that lifts up. The younger ones, I don't know if they've got certain times they lift the floor up or how it works, but yeah. And it's heated in the winter. So a pool you can use all year round, apparently. Really good. This is a great hotel to stop at if you want the strip and stuff. You don't want to be right on top of it. You know, it's maybe a 10-minute walk. That's it. There's reception. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's one coming up on the card now. We'll see you over there in just a minute. Bye.